Good day everyone, we are here to explain how to translate and receive this distress signal is Morse code light.
This is based on International Maritime Rules Call Regs Annex 6 and the International Code of Signals ICS.
SOS is the universal distress signal. It does not stand for any words. It's simply easy to remember and send.
In Morse code, it is written as S 3 short flashes, O 3 long flashes, S 3 short flashes again.
According to Colregs Annex 6, one of the official distress signal is a signal made by light or sounds give Morse code SOS.
This means a vessels can flash SOS using a searchlight, signal lamp, or even a torch.
To transmit SOS with a light, short flash about 1 second, long flash about 3 seconds, pause 1 second between each flash.
So it looks like this: flash, 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 short, flash, 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 long, flash, 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 short. Repeat every few seconds until help is received.
When a watch officer of crew see this flash, enter as a C, they must recognize it as a distress call.
Immediate action should be taken. Long the position, report to the captain, communicate with the nearest coast station. It say proceed to assist.
The ICS support Morse code and light signal for distress communication. This is part of international maritime communication.
It allows ships from different countries to communicate effectively using common signals, especially in emergencies.
Let's demonstrate the Morse code SOS with the flashlight. Use a flashlight to show.
This simple signal can be seen from a great distance, especially in darkness or fog.
In summary, use Morse code light to send SOS is a legal and lethal method to call for help at sea.
Learning this can help save lives. Thank you for listening.